What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. No bullshit car discussion channel on YouTube. On today's episode we are going to be covering CJ32s, Matt Armstrong and Yanamize and a few others as well. Just before we jump into it, guys, if you're new to the channel, check out my other videos. Please do give the channel a chance, smash the subscribe button, and even better if you would smash the like button, get involved, discuss below, comment below. I bring up your comments every Sunday. We're a discussion channel, but we are aiming to get a project car in the summer and do a few vlogs and stuff like that. I want to do various of things. And also, guys, a big thank you to everybody that has done this. We've finally hit 100,000 views. You know, you're fucking superstars. To everybody that's been like watched and subscribed and then smashed the like button. It really does mean a lot to me for being such a small car channel and not having obviously project cars and vlogs out there for you guys, and just basically giving my thoughts and opinions on videos. You know, it's a good milestone for me for being so small, and you know, the only way is up, and I hope I can do you guys justice by bringing you you know, more content. And you know, as I said, it's just my thoughts and opinions. Everybody subscribes, it's like making a new friend on YouTube, I suppose. It's like us sitting down, all you want to do is just chat about cars and what's going on in the car community on YouTube. And you know, I really want to bring a project car this year to you guys and show you what I can do when I modify cars. So we will be discussing that next Saturday is the video for that, and just where I am money wise and stuff like that. So do keep an eye out for it and make sure you're subscribed for it as well. So enough of my shitty blabbing on. We should kick it off with Matt Armstrong. Guys, we have to kick it off for him because he's been crushing it lately on his videos and some of the mods he's been doing. His latest two videos, because I was only supposed to cover one, but now I'm going to be covering two. Matt does like himself a bit of air ride, and yeah, this time he slammed air ride onto the Maserati Gran Turismo on his Liberty Walk wide arch kit, and it looks unbelievable. It's so sick looking. I mean, the gold wheels with the burgundy wine kind of red, it looks really sick. Now the color combination isn't for me. I'm all about the chrome lips, a gold center, and then you know, either a bright like or satin chrome red or something like that. That was just me, but it's still a good color combo. It looks menacing when it's, you know, aired out, and I really love it. And he's also gone away and done the exact same thing to his Lamborghini Gallardo. I just can imagine people cringing or giving out some Lamborghini enthusiasts going absolutely mental, going, what the shit, like what's he doing? Putting, you know, air ride on the Gallardo. I don't care, guys. I love when people actually modify cars to their taste, to make them different, because it's their passion. I'm exactly like Matt Armstrong. I want this channel to get there where we can do these kind of mods. And yeah, those the air ride kits are around, you know, 3,500 sterling to buy. They're not cheap. But the Gallardo looks sick. It's so stealthy looking. I can't wait. He puts a new set of wheels in it. Even the standard wheels in it are crazy looking when it's slammed. Highly recommend go and check out his channel, guys. He really is worth it, and I just like the energy in his videos and just the way he modifies stuff himself. And it's very inspiring, and just I just love the way to see what ideas he has when he modifies a car. And it's just a really good modifying car channel that I highly recommend to go check out, in the link in the description below. Next up, guys, is going to be CJ on 32s. I don't really cover him much because it's that I don't like his channel. He's just like, I'm not into the big massive wheels and all that kind of stuff. It's just not me. But it did come up on my feed about his Trackhawk, and I saw the color and I was like, oh my god, that looks insane. So obviously I clicked on the video and I watched a good bit of it, and the color has blown me away. This pearl, I don't know even what, I know it's a pearl white, but I don't know the colors that are within the pearl white. I don't know if there's a green and a gold in there and whatever else. It looks like there's a green and a gold in there, but the way he's modified this Trackhawk, like, I'm not even an SUV person. It's stunning. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, you know, applaud to CJ on 32s for that one, because it looks menacing. I love the white pearl on it. The wheels actually go really well with it. The white interior looks sick. The whole thing is just like, wow. I must say I was pretty amazed. This is a color I would definitely consider wrapping the project car whenever we get it. You know, I am going to make a poll on colors I'm interested in, guys, whenever we do get to that point, hopefully. And I just would love, that's a definite color I would consider, is this pearl white with a gold going through it and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, if you haven't checked it out, let me know in the comments below what you think of his Trackhawk and the way he's modified it. Do you like it? Don't you like it? I personally love it. I mean, wow, that's all I can say about that one. So yeah, fair dues to CJ on 32s. Next up is going to be Wheels Boutique. So Wheels Boutique, if you haven't seen their channel, it's a channel I came across a few weeks back, haven't really covered them much, but they have recently, they modify and customize supercars for people. They've gotten their hands on a customer 720S from Texas. These guys are in Florida, I think Miami, not too sure, but they have done unbelievable work. I think this is probably one of my favorite 720S's ever done, and it sounds insane. Like, whatever tune has been put on this car is nuts. So here is a quick clip for you guys. How about that? Would you put that tune on your car to have that many pops and crackles when you're kind of going down the road? The car, guys, is, I just can't get over it. It's basically, I think it's a Vorsteiner carbon body kit, which is so sick in it. The color is just one of the best colors I've seen in a 720S, in my own personal opinion. But probably one of my favorite pieces on that car is the carbon fiber wing. It's like a P1 wing. I love it. It's huge, just glossy. I love glossy carbon fiber, not in the matte carbon fiber. The color and wheels, the anarchy wheels in it. Oh my god, that 720S like is just, in my eyes, one of the nicest ones out there. But if you haven't seen the video, guys, go check it out. Well worth watching, just listening to that exhaust system as well. And these guys they do a lot of good mods on some of the cars they have, so definitely go check them out and let me know what you think of the 720S. Next up is going to be Burlacker. Burlacker has put in his first mod, you know, on his Dodge Viper. And yeah, it's a simple mod, but an effective mod, which I really liked. When he took it off, I was like, wow, that actually is pretty cool. He put on like a blue kind of stripes through it with the yellow, which actually really suits it. I really like it. It's the same blue that's off his other Mustang, I think, that he bought, or just, it's basically the same color. He's got to put it on, and yeah, I really like it. It's really added just that extra, you know, a bit of personality to the Viper, and it's definitely going to stand, as much as it stood out before, it really stands out now. I wonder if he's going to change the wheels. I'm not too sure, but let me know what you think of the stripes on it, guys. Be interested to hear your thoughts and opinions. I really like it, so I'm glad he actually did it, and be interested to see what other mods he does as well. Last up is going to be Yanamize. Now, guys, this is a very old video. I literally only came across it there just before I was about to make this video, because I replaced it out for Dustin Williams. The reason why is because I've never seen it before. This has like, what, 3.2 million views. I'm very slow in this one. It's like back in 2019. But I had to bring it up because I love these kind of wraps and colours. So Aubameyang, I think his name, he's an Arsenal football player. He is loaded. This guy is pretty rich. He's like a £2.5 million LaFerrari. He got it wrapped in psychedelic chrome, and it is insane. It's nuts. I had to bring it up, guys. I mean, when you're that rich and you have those kind of cars, I love people who go outside, who step outside of the norm with their cars and just go with whatever they like. And these are the kind of colors I love. I love kind of chrome and all the blues and the purples and everything going through it. I know it's a LaFerrari, but he had the balls to do it, and I love it. I really, really like this color. And yeah, I just said I'd just show you guys, if you haven't seen this the videos in the description below if you want to check it out. I must start covering Yanamize a bit more often when they do these crazy wraps. But yeah, I love it. I give it a 10 out of 10. But I know you guys are probably going to hate it in the comments below. But yeah, I just thought it was cool. It's a colour I would definitely put on a supercar if I had the money. That's just me. I'm like a magpie. So yeah, guys, that's everything for today. Yeah, hopefully you liked the episode. Again, if you're new, do consider subscribing. Again, like squad, you have been unbelievable, you guys, commenting and smashing the like button. I hope you keep it up because it really means a lot to me. Let's take this channel to the next level. Just keep moving on forward. And yeah, so until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.